Today we're looking at this 2001 Honda Civic 7th generation. So this should be the same, if not very similar, to all of the 2000 to 2005 year model Honda Civics. First, you're going to open your glove box and remove your glove box door stops. You have one on both sides. You're going to push from the outside of the glove box towards the inside while pulling towards you at the same time on your clip. They've come out very easily, as you can see. Remove both of them, set them off to the side, somewhere where you will remember them. If you do happen to lose them, make sure you look for a link in the description below to purchase new ones. Same with your cabin air filter, there should be a link for that to purchase as well. Here is the door to access the cabin air filters. There's just a clip on the left side, you push it towards the right side and pull towards you. Removes super easy. Here is the first cage of your air filter housing, and you have a second one in here, slides to the left and comes right out the door as well. So there's two cabin air filters. Replace both of them. These ones are abnormally clean for the situation where the vehicle's at. They come right out of their cages. There's nothing that really holds them into place. You just make sure you install the cages and filter properly. Simple. Slide the right one in first, push it straight in, and then moves over to the passenger side or the right side. You'll notice the tabs on the cages where they're placed, they have to be placed properly. Those fit inside the cabin air filter door right here on the left. Both tabs fit right into there. The right side clips in first, lines up with the filters, and clips in on the left side. Now just reinstall your door stops, glove box door stops that is. Push them into the glove box when the glove box is about halfway shut, and push towards the outside of the glove box at the same time, and they should clip into place as seen. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share while you're watching. Hopefully this helped you out. Make sure you comment below with what the year, make, and model of the vehicle was that this did help you out on. Maybe these videos right here might suit your needs as well. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you on the next, hopefully helpful video.